Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a Nokia X20. First of all, open your Google application. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it and choose settings. In this menu choose voice option and here find voice match. And now click here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. Now you get access to your assistant, tap next, agree to voice match, yes I agree, and how you can see Hey Google ready to use. Now click not now, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.